Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share my honest review on the newly launched two products from Lakme 9 to 5 Natural range. First is this gel Kajal and the second thing is this by face foundation drops. So as from the title you guys know that what I will be saying in this video, but please hold on before judging. Please watch this video till the end because I have a lot of informative things to share with you. If you're planning to purchase any of these two products, then you are at the right place because I will be sharing with you that why you should not purchase these and why I am saying this, and you will be knowing this by the end of this video. So now without blabbering more, let's just get started with the video. Guys, first of all, let me tell you the price of these two products and the quantity you are getting. First thing is this gel Kajal. This is for 400 rupees and you are getting 3 grams of product. And on the other hand, this foundation drops is for rupees 500 and you are getting 18 ml of product. I'm talking about the packaging. It is very similar to the Lakme 9 to 5 Natural aloe vera gel and the lipstick. This is the foundation and this is the quantity you are getting, guys, for 500 rupees. I was expecting the quantity to be little more as compared to the price. Look at this, guys. The size is so less and you are investing 500 rupees for this much product. I am not happy. I will include the video in which I have used it on my face, and you require so much quantity of this, and plus the you can see the bottle. It's this sort of pin is there to just lock this hole. When I just saw the name as foundation drops, I was so excited because I was expecting a dropper in this foundation, but it was a big fail. Second thing is this bottle is a glass bottle. You have to be really careful. Shade range is also very limited. There are 4 shades available and I just bought this shade 01 Ivory Cream, and this is the lightest from this range. You can see the color of my neck and my face. This definitely gives you a white mask light effect. You can see my face is looking too much white, and I always choose the lightest shade, and this was the lightest shade and it gives me too much white mask like effect, so I didn't like it. I just love the foundations which look natural on your face, and this is definitely not that one. And the smell is really pleasant, very light, and when I applied it on my face, it gives medium coverage. It is not providing you the full coverage, and the coverage is not even buildable. The only thing I love about this foundation was the smell plus the texture. It's very light and it doesn't feel heavy on your face, and right now I am wearing it and I don't feel that I am wearing or having something on my face. So that is good because it's appropriate for summers. So that is a very good thing. It also states that it has SPF of 30 and PA+++. I will not be repurchasing it because for 500 rupees, approximately for 500 rupees, you can get a very different variety of foundations, and with full coverage, with more quantity and all sorts of good things. Nothing is too much special about this foundation. Talking about the second product, Kajal. Today I am wearing this. I will be including the clip first. You can see, guys, the color payoff is not so good and it was not that much pigmented. I tried to build the color up, but it was not getting jet black color, so which I think is a bummer. That you get this sort of brush in green color. It's like this. It's very clumsy and it's very tiny as well. I don't know, I will not be using this sort of packaging. It is of plastic. And talking about the pigmentation again, guys, why I didn't like this product is that I have used so many gel liners and this was not that much pigmented. I will swatch it in front of you I am taking this from the same brush. You can see you will find more dark and jet black eyeliners in the Indian market. This is nothing special. It's not completely opaque. I have applied this kajal 15 to 20 minutes before. I will show in front of you that whether it's smudge proof or not. You can see it has come off. It's not smudge proof, but you can see it has it is not completely removed, but it is not smudge proof as well. You can spend 450 or 500 rupees to get much more better quality in terms of pigmentation and in terms of longevity. So I don't think anything special is there in this kajal as well. These are the reasons why I was saying that these products are not worth spending your money. That is it, guys. These are my personal review and my personal opinion about these two products. There can be different point of views and different opinions about these two products, and I just wanted to share it with you. When you invest in something, you should get what you expect. So that's why I just wanted to make this video. And if you find it helpful, then do hit that like button, and if you're watching my video for the first time, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the bell icon to never miss a future upload from me. Bye bye.